sa ating lahat, sa ating mga tagapanood, tagapakinig. Good noon again. The entire National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, kasama dyan, of course, yung ating kasamaan from DSWD, DOH, DILG, at mga kasamahan natin from the Uniformed Services, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Coast Guard, BFP, and our PNP, has been on red alert status in preparation dito sa pagdating ng Super Typhoon Nando. So we have been on red alert status since September 19, 2025 para ma-facilitate yung ating heightened monitoring and coordination in response to the threat brought by Super Typhoon Nando. So as the highest level of alert, ang mandato po natin ay mag-deploy at mag-provide ng resources sa lahat ng mga nangangailangang local government units and other agencies, and to facilitate immediate interagency coordination to anticipate needs during, before, during, and after the emergency. So along this line also, the Interagency Coordinating Cell, led by the Secretary of the National Defense, Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., convened yesterday, and this is to jumpstart our anticipatory activities or action. No? So this interagency coordinating cell, nag-meet na rin kanina to do preparatory actions or activities and monitoring our different local government units and other agencies. This is in line to the President's directive for the government agencies, for all government agencies to be proactive in addressing impending emergencies or disasters. As such, the following NDRRMC response clusters have been activated. We have the logistics cluster led by the Office of Civil Defense, the food and non-food items cluster led by our DSWD, our search, rescue, and retrieval cluster led by our Armed Forces of the Philippines, our health cluster led by the DOH, our law and order by the PNP, camp coordination and camp management by our DSWD, internally displaced persons and person protection led by DSWD, our crisis communications led by our Presidential Communications Office, our education cluster by our Department of Education, emergency telecoms led by DICT, and our debris clearing and civil works led by our Department of Public Works and Highways. And the following clusters are currently on standby: the Philippine International Humanitarian Assistance led by our DFA, management of the dead and missing led by our DILG, early recovery by OCD, and the shelter led by our DSUD, or the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. As Super Typhoon Nando intensifies, the NDRRMC is urging the public to stay informed, remain vigilant, and heed warnings and advisories from the authorities. It is critical that every individual takes responsibility for their own safety by being prepared. The NDRRMC underscores the critical role of public cooperation in disaster preparedness. While the government is committed to providing assistance, it is essential that individuals take proactive steps to ensure their safety. In addition, various NDRRMC member agencies have issued specific advisories, warnings, and guidance to mitigate the impact of Super Typhoon Nando. The NDRMC assures the public that its member agencies are closely coordinating their efforts to ensure public safety and are prepared to respond to emergencies and provide necessary assistance. To facilitate efficient and effective exchange of information, we have activated our Joint Information Center, which is manned by the Office of Civil Defense together with our PCO and PIA and the different government agencies on board. So maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Asek Rafi. At ngayon naman